Today I want to draw the sheep. I'm not sure if they're going to be as helpful to me as Bill the cow was yesterday, but I've got some white chalk and some black paper. And first I'm just going to put down the whole shape lightly for the sheep's body and for its head. And then with the side of the, I'm doing that all with the side of the chalk. Once I've got some shape, I'm going to scribble it a little bit more. So like working with the charcoal yesterday and the cow, I'm going to do the shape first, and then I'm going to work with the rubber around the outside to take things away. And my sheep's moved. I can see it, but you probably can't. We're going to see how big I'm going to make its neck and the shape of its head. And because my paper's black, when I rub out, I don't just take away the chalk, I actually make it black again. So I can keep going with this drawing. And I think the best thing is to get the edge of the chalk and scribble a little bit. And then you get some of that texture of the sheep, of the sheep's wool. So it's quite good just to scribble, like knitting a sheep, just with your charcoal, with your chalk. And if you're drawing the sheep, as I am at Gorgie Farm, it's going to move around. So if you've got a way of drawing that you can keep changing, see where you want to put the legs, then that's ideal. I think sheep, their backs go down a bit to the base of their neck, like that. And then maybe their bellies are a bit lower. Down there, could add a bit more. Give it a slightly lower belly. Seems to have a tail. That's not meant to be a tail, it's meant to be another leg. And change that a bit. So can you see I'm drawing with the charcoal, with the chalk, but I'm also drawing with the rubber. And there, this sheep isn't really white, it's pretty grey. So I'm going to use the rubber to make some darker shadows under its belly. There. So I can spend a long time on this, getting the right shapes, putting the chalk on, or taking it off if I want to get some more. This rubber's got a sharp edge, so I can use it to get some of those lines of the wool. Half sheep, half zebra, and then I can take some more away from the edge if that's what I need. So that could take a long time, trying to make it better and better. And then I have some charcoal, so this will be black. So if I wanted to, because I can't see the sheep at the moment, but I wanted to give it an eye, and maybe an ear, and a mouth, whoops, smiling. Then I can, I wonder if you can see it, wait a minute, it's just there. So let's move this so you can see what I'm doing as well. So there might be just a few more things I could get with my charcoal. I could even change some of the outline, put in some of those shadows. And I can also put the chalk back on. I'm not sure about the smile. To take that away. And maybe another. I think their legs are thicker at the top and woollier, and then a bit thinner at the bottom. And should I give them some grass? In fact, it would be quite good to get a green pastel next and get some colour around that sheep. Okay, so try that. It's black paper, charcoal, black paper, chalk, a rubber, and you might have some charcoal if you wanted to make something black. And I've taken some photographs of these sheep that are attached to the email. but you might also come here to Corgi Farm and draw them in real life.